What's up, my beautiful people? Dilo here from Rincon de Armas. Today's video is on FTT 111. Right, today's date is June 8th. This is troubleshooting firearms and inspections of firearms. So today we're going to be drilling a couple holes, punching some holes in this metal plate. First thing I have to do is get the proper lining across this. I've already marked this black, as you can see. So loosen this up. So first thing you want to do is get your measurements, right? So two inches. How long it is. 4 inches, so it's 2 by 4. All right, it's 2 by 4. All right, now we get the center line to see where we're going to be drilling these holes. So to get that center line, I want to divide that length of 4 inches by 2. All right. Make our lines. Okay. Then we'll divide that by 2, which it'll be 1 inch. We'll have 2 inches divided by 2, so it'll be 1 inch. Oh, and it should look like that. All right. Now, let's take a punch. Make an indent. Make our indents. All right. Stays here. Safety goggles always. All right. It's metal. Let's see. Use it. Grab glue, needles, and resort, something of that sort. Excuse me, I don't have a clamp. All right, and voila, we've drilled 3 holes. Now we're gonna tap it, see if we can get the screws in properly. There's your broken one. All right, so I messed up. Boom. All right, I was able to get 2, but it snapped in that 3rd one, so I got to figure that out. But let's keep it moving for the video's purposes. Tapped 2 out of the 3. Looks like the tap actually broke. I was warned that it might be brittle, and I didn't go slow enough. I didn't go soft enough. So I broke it. Now I have to learn from that, and I'll figure that out. So let's just test to see if the screws actually fit in. We got 5 here. That's all the way in. It's all the way through. All right, I'll have to damage this one to make sure I file it properly, I must say. So take a stake in there. Make sure it's damaged a little bit in there. It's a little beat up in there. What I want to do next, I want to file it down. All right. It's a little damage there. Next step is going to be bluing. So I'm going to take this Perma Blue right here, supplied by SDI. Thank you, SDI. Let's get that open a little bit. Q-tip. Perma Blue. That's crazy. That's pretty cool. So the color has kind of come back, I would say, and it is easier to take off. Let's see. Let's take this bad boy out. File down. It's been blued. All right, so for this next part of the video, I'm gonna purposefully cross thread it in here. Let's see, I used that one already. Let's try this one. And as you can see, that is not going through. It's stuck. So I'm gonna properly tap that again with the remaining of the tap. I'm gonna try at least. With the second screw, that third screw is definitely not going to work in that center line. So let's see. Yeah, so that's jammed in there. I'm not gonna be able to do that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna extract one of these. All right, there we go. Next thing I want to do is take my hole punch starter, right in the center there. So I can have somewhere to start my drilling, right? With the screw extractor, because I'll have to be doing here is extracting a screw. Alright guys, so for the final part of this video, I'm going to be entering it after removing that nail, entering to see if I need to what's it called? Use the bit in order to get it back in there. Let's see. And it's all the way in. I don't need to re-thread that. Alright, this was a lot harder than I thought it would be, but very good challenge to take on for class. I appreciate this final. I messed up and I had to figure it out, so here we go. All good. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon. Peace.